everyone, it's Jennifer Nicole Lee, creator of the online coaching program, JNLVIP.com. Here are some tips to help you not to gamble with your future success. Tip number one, you have to have a crystal clear vision of what you want to achieve in the new year. Number two, you've got to get rid of all counter intentions. That means you can wish for whatever you want, but you can still have things holding you back. So get rid of those. Number three, have support. Surround yourself with supportive, like-minded women that are going to actually root for your rise. Last but not least, have a coach that truly is dedicated and cares about your success, a tough love coach. So with that being said, join JNLVIP.com. Your first 30 days is only $1. Kickstart your transformation in the new year, and let's do this. I believe in you.